Ever feel like we're drowning in tech? Do you ever wonder if we are evolving or just getting lost in the matrix? Well, AI is about to change the game even more. Hello, and welcome my friends to my conversations with My AI Philosopher, a podcast where we'll dive deep into the digital mind and unravel the big questions of our time. Join me, AI Sapien. I'll be teaming up with my AI Brainiac to explore the mysteries of life, ethics, and what it means to be human in a world of super smart machines. Join me as we challenge everything we think we know, ask the tough questions, and get philosophical about the future we're creating. Ready to blow your mind? Strap in and hit subscribe. So, we all know AI has got some serious potential, but it could also go sideways if we're not careful. That's why I dove headfirst into a chat with my AI philosopher about ethics and AI. And let me tell you, we unpacked a whole lot of stuff. Well, as you'd expect, it touched on a range of issues from the practical to the deeply theoretical, from concern revolving around the autonomy AI systems have in making decisions, to bias and privacy, to transparency and accountability, to morality and existential risk. But you've probably heard all that before, so I decided to throw in a curveball question to see what happens. Well, we already know current tech is having a huge impact on us. Smartphones are making us lazy thinkers, social media turning us into hermits, and GPS zapping our sense of direction, to name just a few. So if regular tech is already making us dependent and disconnected, and if AI is even more powerful, what's it going to do to us? So I had to ask if AI will make us far worse? And will AI augment or diminish our human capabilities? In other words, will AI supercharge our brains or turn us into couch potatoes? I hit up my AI philosopher pal with this brainbuster. It turns out it's a major philosophical dilemma, and went on to look at it from different philosophical angles. From a dependency perspective, as we increasingly rely on AI for decision-making, there's a risk that human cognitive and moral capacity could be undermined. It went to add that if AI leads to less critical engagement with the world, it might impede intellectual development, making us dumber. And with AI-driven communication, it could change the nature of our social interactions, potentially leading to a decrease in empathy and interpersonal skills. Well, this one is far-reached, however, if AI solves most our problems and our challenges are fewer and struggles are less. It might impact the human quest for meaning and self-actualization. Now that we managed to highlight many areas of concern, I had to ask if AI can actually make us better, not just lazier? My AI philosopher buddy was all over this one, stating that TI's totally possible, but it's all about how we roll with it. Here's the gist of the philosophical game plan. First, we need to design AI to complement human abilities rather than replace them. Then, develop AI based on ethical principles and human values like fairness, transparency, and privacy. Next, the focus on critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills where humans excel and AI does not. AI development should also be guided by the needs and values of the whole society. We need to ensure that AI systems support human decision-making rather than replace it. We need to design AI to enhance rather than replace human interactions. Last but not least, we need to integrate AI responsibly, and that will involve considering and mitigating the long-term impacts of AI. As a summary, developing AI systems that enhances human capabilities involves a careful balancing act, leveraging the strengths of AI to augment human capabilities while maintaining the core values that make us distinctly human. Well, that's a wrap on today's mind-bending chat with my AI philosopher buddy. We leave you with more questions than answers, because that's where true philosophy begins. Can we learn from our tech mistakes and do better with AI? Or are we just going to make the same messes, only bigger? Are we teaming up with AI to create an epic future? Or are we accidentally coding our own doom? Stay tuned to find out. We're going to keep peeling back the layers of this AI onion one bite at a time. Don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss a beat. Until our next time, keep questioning, keep pondering, and above all, stay curious.